Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Curly Eye Candy, and as you can see, my hair is so dry. Oh my goodness, it's wash day, guys. So right here I am lathering my hair in water, and eventually I will be struggling with the knobs in the shower because I do not use the shower, you guys. I don't wash my hair in the shower. I normally wash my hair in the sink. I am a sink kind of girl. So let's get into it. Alright, right here I am just lathering my hair with water, making sure that I get it all throughout my hair so that we can prepare for the next process, which is going to be the shampoo. Lather that hair, boo. I see you, girl. Right here I will be using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. I haven't used this shampoo in a while, but it left my hair feeling very, very good while I was lathering it, and it got all that build up and dirt off. Oh my God. Like, how do y'all wash our hair in the shower? It's horrible. Right here I am going to make sure that I massage my scalp really well. This helps with getting that buildup out and all the dirt that I had from my last wash and go. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Once again, you guys, I am not a pro at washing my hair in the shower, so you may see me get a little water in my ear. Yeah, your girl was struggling. Right here, I will be getting all of that shampoo out of my hair and rinsing it out so that we can prepare to get ready to put my conditioner in my hair. I normally like to get all of that shampoo out. Well, I would hope that you will get all the shampoo out. Please believe me, you don't want to leave shampoo in your hair. Before we get any further in this video, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, okay? Make sure you click that like button and the subscribe button and the bell so that you can get a notification from your girl. You guys, I am very silly, so sometimes I like to dance. Wop, yeah, wop, 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 wop. Okay, it kind of went with the beat too, y'all. I mean, sometimes you have to kiss your products and love on them. You know, you just never know how they may make your hair feel, boo. As y'all can see, I got conditioner all over the floor. Tickle pink, baby, tickle. But yeah, I'm going to put that all over my hair. And actually going to put some more in my hand and put some more in my hair. I like to lather that in, and I'm going to finger detangle right now. Also, I like to use my Denman brush to get the rest of the tangles out, and I'm going to do that pretty much until I get all the tangles out. I am so sorry, you guys. I forgot to tell you what kind of conditioner that I was using in my hair. This is from Shea Moisture, the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Conditioner with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. I actually use this as a detangler. I made my own conditioner, my own deep conditioner actually, but I just used this to detangle my hair, and it had my hair pretty soft, you guys. Very easy to detangle actually, and the product smells so good. This is pretty much all the shed hair that I had, and now I'm going to go in and rinse that conditioner out. I am not sure why I was trying to squeeze the water out of my hair, but eventually you'll see me put deep conditioner in my hair after this. Now I'm going to use my deep conditioner that I actually made in the kitchen. I may actually do a video on how I make my own deep conditioner, and I'm going to put this in my hair, basically lather it all throughout my hair, and clearly some got on my shirt or whatever, but yeah. Right here I make sure that I get that throughout my hair, so that I can prepare to put my cap on and try to get in the shower, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna finger detangle and make sure that I get that throughout my hair. Right here I'm going to place my shower cap on my head, and this is basically what I use to deep condition my hair, to leave the heat in, and I'm going to prepare for my shower. Okay, so now that I'm out the shower, I'm going to take my cap off, and I actually forgot to turn my ring light back on. So the lighting gets kind of horrible here, so you guys please excuse me for this. I do apologize. I do apologize. But clearly I don't know how to work the shower once again, because this is what my husband showers in. I don't use it. I use my bathtub in the room, and I am rinsing my hair out with cold water. Oh my god, that water was freezing. That water was freezing, y'all. I am using cold water to rinse my deep conditioner out because it will seal in that moisture from all the ingredients I had from my deep conditioner. So if you're wondering why I'm using cold water, that will be the reason. Why you wanna run away? Now my hair is all rinsed out, and I am about to move to styling. You still see a little bit of conditioner in my hair, but that's okay. It's not gonna hurt at all. I'm trying to build it up. I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. I am back, and I am about to style. I used the towel, well, actually a t-shirt on my head to dry my hair, because I don't like to use a towel to dry my hair. It makes your hair very dry. So yeah. And now I'm going to add my leave-in conditioner, and I am going to begin to style. I actually did a wash and go in this video, or in this clip, or the clips to come. I did not like some of the clips. I was gonna do a whole entire video on a wash and go, but I did not like some of the clips, so I added them to this video. As y'all know, I love to sing, so right here I am dancing, and I'm actually detangling my hair once again and adding products. I added water, and I also used my leave-in along with the cream. And in this video for my wash and go, or for my style, I actually used extreme wet line gel, if that's what it's called. But yeah, I used that gel, and I'm constantly spraying water in my hair. And you guys will see the style after this. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I'm into the love for you. Give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, Right here, guys, is the finished look. This is my wash and go that I actually filmed. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do this video. This concludes my wash day routine, and please guys, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Peace.